Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to Trendbeat Cars. Today we're diving into the thrilling world of speed, horsepower, and cutting-edge engineering. Buckle up because we're about to explore the fastest cars on the planet, Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut 2023. On the planet. But before we hit the gas, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell, so you never miss out on our exciting content. Alright, let's rev up our engines and get started. The Koenigsegg Jesko is a limited production mid-engine sports car produced by Swedish automobile manufacturer Koenigsegg. The car was introduced at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show and it completely sold out before the show ended. The car succeeds the Agera. The name Jesko is a tribute to the company founder's father, Jesko von Koenigsegg. There are two variations of the car, Absolute, top speed, and attack track focused. The engine is a development of the 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine used in the Agera. It has 4 valves per cylinder each with a bore and stroke 3.75 inches and a compression ratio of 8.6:1. The engine has a power output of 955 kW at 7,800. The Jesko also utilizes active rubber mounts from the Agera that reduce engine vibrations in the cabin. The two large turbochargers are equipped with a 20-liter air tank made from carbon fiber, coupled with an electric compressor which feeds pressurized air to the turbochargers at a pressure of 20 bar, 290 psi, in order to reduce turbo lag. The engine has pressure sensors for each cylinder in order to achieve real-time cylinder monitoring for the multi-point fuel injection system. This engine is mated to an in-house developed 9-speed multi-clutch transmission called the light-speed transmission, LST, by the manufacturer. The new transmission has a weight of 90 kg, 198 lb, and it is at least 50% shorter in length than the previous 7-speed dual-clutch unit. It has 9 forward gear combinations using a layout with an input shaft with 3 fixed gears. The car comes standard with forged aluminum center lock wheels, with diameters of 20 inches at the front and 21 inches at the rear. The transmission has a shift time ranging from 20 to 30 milliseconds. It also has an overdrive mode called Ultimate Power on Demand, that is designed to skip directly to the optimal gear depending on user input, rather than down or upshifting sequentially to that gear. The transmission is controlled by an onboard computer which uses engine and road speed data to engage a gear. Gears are selected by the driver either using the shift paddles mounted on the steering column or the gear selector. Production of the Jesko will be limited to 125 units, with 40 to 50 units being produced each year. Unlike its predecessors, the Jesko will be homologate worldwide. It was announced in March 2019 that all the build slots of the Jesko were sold out. That's it for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed our turbocharged adventure through the world of speed, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow speed enthusiasts. And of course, subscribe for more exhilarating content. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and stay fast.